Today is a day that many of you have been waiting for. Today, I'm proud to announce the release of Divi 4.0, including the brand new Divi Theme Builder. The Theme Builder takes the power of the Divi Builder and extends it to all areas of the Divi theme, allowing you to build custom headers, footers, category pages, product templates, blog post templates, 404 pages, and more. The Theme Builder brings together some of Divi's most important features such as dynamic content and WooCommerce modules, along with the amazing design power of the builder itself to give you ultimate control over your entire website. Divi 4.0 is a game changer. Using the Theme Builder, you can create custom headers and footers for any part of your website. You are no longer limited to Divi's standard header, but instead are given full control over your website's header using the Divi Builder and its many modules. This update also comes with improvements to the Divi menu module, giving you more layout options, more control over its elements, and of course, full control over its design. You can create global website headers that affect your entire website, and you can create custom headers and footers for any individual part of your website using the templating system's robust conditional logic. The Theme Builder also allows you to create custom body templates that change the default structure of your posts, products, and any other post type across your website. Instead of editing each post and product individually, you can use the Theme Builder to create a site-wide template. Dynamic content can be assigned to Divi modules within these templates to showcase the current post's information, such as its title, content, and featured image, anywhere within your custom design. And you can use Divi's WooCommerce modules to create completely custom product templates. Edit them once and see your entire website change instantly. The Theme Builder can also be used to create custom index page designs, including custom category feeds. You now have complete control over your website's category designs, and you can use the Divi blog module and its many design settings to customize those post feeds. The blog module also comes with some upgrades, including new post loop and post filtering options that give you even more control over your category templates. You can do more than just create category templates and post templates with the Theme Builder. You can create custom templates for absolutely anything. Search results, archives, tags, home pages, 404 pages, and more. Using conditional logic, multiple parts of your website can be both included or excluded from each Theme Builder template. You have complete control. The beauty of the Theme Builder is that you aren't restricted to using the Divi theme's basic structure, but instead can create that structure yourself. Divi 4.0 is a monumental change for Divi. It breaks the Divi Builder free from post-content design and extends its functionality across your entire website using a brand new Theme Builder interface that we think is the best in the business. Divi isn't just a page builder anymore, it's a theme builder, and we can't wait to see all the amazing new websites you create with it.